Is the iQOO 13 5G the fastest Android flagship phone of 2025, or is it just hype? The iQOO 13 5G is a premium flagship smartphone built for extreme performance, gaming, and long-term use. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, one of the most powerful mobile chipsets in 2025, delivering faster speeds, better efficiency, and smoother multitasking. The phone features a large 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED display with 2K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate. This means ultra-smooth scrolling, responsive gaming, and excellent brightness even under direct sunlight. For photography lovers, the iQOO 13 comes with a triple 50-megapixel camera system. The main camera includes optical image stabilization for sharp photos and stable videos. The ultra-wide lens captures more in every frame, while the telephoto camera offers clean zoom shots. You can record videos in up to 8K resolution, making this phone ideal for content creation. Battery performance is another major highlight. The iQOO 13 packs a powerful 6,000 mAh battery with 120-watt fast charging. You can charge the phone from 0 to 100% in around 30 minutes. On the software side, the iQOO 13 runs Android 15 with a smooth and optimized user interface, offering better security, performance, and long-term updates. With a flagship processor, stunning display, fast charging, and powerful cameras, the iQOO 13 5G stands out as one of the best Android smartphones of 2025. If this video helped you, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Talk for more latest smartphone reviews, comparisons, and tech updates.